Hello? Can I call you right back? I'm shooting a video right now. Yeah, okay, Mom. Call you back. Okay, bye. Hi, I'm Dora, and welcome to another super episode of BiteSize English, your daily bite of English. Hey, are you interested in classes?
Yep.
Well, we've got them. Yeah! Just go to our website, bitesizeenglish.com, to get more information. In today's episode, we've got some useful phrasal verbs for when we use our phones. What is a phrasal verb again? Remember that these are multi-word verbs. Did you hear the phrasal verb I used in the introduction? Can I call you right back? That's right, it was call back. To call back is when somebody will return someone's call. My mom just called me, and I'll call back my mom after this video. I can also say, I'll call my mom back after this video. Notice that this is a separable phrasal verb where the object can go between the verb and the adverb. The meaning is the same. I'm calling her. Oh, voicemail again? I can't get through. To get through is when you successfully contact the person you were calling. I'll try again to see if I can get through to my mom. Hello?
Hello, ma'am. We're calling to see if you need your carpets cleaned. We have a special.
Oh no, a sales call. What do? Do you cut them off? Speak up? Hang up? Let's look at all three. First, to cut them off, is it a separable or inseparable phrasal verb? That's right, it's separable. I will cut them off, interrupt them, which means that while they are talking, I will very rudely start talking and not let them finish their sentence. Then, I speak up. To speak up is an inseparable verb. If I speak up, I will speak louder and clearly say something like, "No, thank you." And after, I will hang up the phone, end the call, and put the phone down. Hanging the phone up is such a relief. I would highly recommend this method to end these calls. And what if this happens? Hello?
Hello, we're calling about... Hello? We're calling about...
Hello? I can't hear you.
Hello? We're calling about...
Hang on. Just hold on, please. Okay, I can hear you now. When we say hang on, please, or hold on, please, in this context, they both mean that the person on the phone must wait for a short time. I think we need a worksheet to take a closer look at these phrasal verbs. Check out BiteSize English website, Extra Bytes section, and find a worksheet for this episode. I think these were useful phrasal verbs. Please write your comments below. Don't forget to also check out our website for classes. I'll see you next time on BiteSize English.